unboxing video. I just got my nails done. Y'all can't see, it's dark, but I'm gonna insert a clip. They're so cute. But I got my soft box lights, and I also got a package that I won from a giveaway. So let's open. Y'all see how this ring light is just, I gotta constantly move it. The light just be shifting. So I got these lights. They were really cheap, y'all. Really cheap. So I'm super excited about these softbox lights. And I can't break no nail. Oh, y'all can see better now. I just got these done, so I ain't trying to break no nail. Y'all, what if a rat just came flying out the box? Okay, done with that. Got a big bag, okay. I'm keeping this bag for sure. Okay, so this is the brand right here. Another bag, 2 bags, and some boxes. So this is the stand. I think it's 2 of them, 2 of each, and these are the light bulbs. Cause I did watch a video on this. I'm gonna just open one so I can show y'all how to put it together. So let me adjust my camera. Okay, so this is better set up. So here we go, the stand. Okay, so I'm gonna untwist this part. Hold up. Okay, yeah. So now it's open, and then you're just gonna tighten it back up. Alright. Now you're gonna untwist this to make it taller. So y'all can see. Hold on. Twist that. See, yeah. And just tighten it back up. So these just, you untwist them to let it get taller. What I saw people having trouble with was getting the light bulb inside, so you have to push this black thing down. Look, I don't want to break it. Okay, y'all see. I'm gonna put it down so y'all can just see a little bit more. These things are huge. Oh my god. My room is too small for this, y'all. I can't wait till I move, because I do not have room for this. Ooh, my scissors. Okay, twist it at the base. Don't hold this part. So we gonna plug it up now. I need to open it more at the bottom before it tips the fuck over. Okay, y'all, so this is me with just the ring light on. I look ugly, so please don't mind me. So this is just with the ring light on, and I'm gonna turn the softbox light on. And it just has a switch on the cord. Right here. Just flick it. Okay, so let y'all. Without the light. With the light. Okay, this is the position. Hold up. Yes. Without. With. So I'm opening my giveaway gift now. This box is paper good, honey. Jesus. Keep running to this light. Look, you guys, it's so cute. This is like a little. I wonder if it's like a new company or something. I've never heard of it. New Golden Milk Collection. Okay, she left me a note. Hey girl, thank you so much for entering my giveaway. You are the first ever winner of my monthly 24-hour flash giveaway. I hope you enjoy your hair products, Marion J. Hampton. So there's her IG name and her YouTube name. Go support. That's so cute. I'm gonna keep that. This is so cute. What is this? You Are Gold Blossom Kit. Seed packet, peat palette, wooden cube planter. Maybe it's like to plant something. Let me set this back down. Okay. I don't know what this is. It says a seed packet. Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know. It's cute though. It's a You Are Gold, solid gold. It looks like there's 5 products in here. Okay, so this is the My Black is Beautiful Intense Recovery Treatment. That's real cute packaging. Look at it. Let me smell that. Ooh, smells kind of like perfume. Ooh, I did not try to squeeze all that out. Smells like cologne or perfume. After washing with hydrating shampoo and fortified conditioner, apply a generous amount. Treatment to the hair with a to comb. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So I guess this is probably like a deep conditioner. So let's see. Oh my god, y'all, this packaging is bomb. Like, look at that. Wow. Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. Golden milk, honey, and coconut oil. No sulfates, no parabens. Rich conditioning cream. Maximize slip to minimize detangling time. Repair damage, fight frizz for smooth, elongated curls. Apply a generous amount, blah blah blah. Massage into hair. I'm not sure exactly what it's for. Okay, and then we have the shampoo. Y'all, this stuff is, oh my god, this packaging. This is the shampoos. Hydrating. Golden milk, honey, and coconut oil. No silicone, no parabens, no sulfates. Lightweight cleanser. I love this. This is so cute. I can't wait to use these products. I'm actually washing my hair tomorrow because I'm braiding my hair down. So, yes, I'll be using this tomorrow. And this is the fortified conditioner. We all know what conditioner is. And what is this? This is a conditioning cream. This is, okay, so I guess it's two of these. Tangle Slayer conditioning creams. This one says type 4 hair though. Type 4 coily hair. And this one says type 3 curly hair. I have more type 3. I have like type 4 on my sideburns, I guess you want to call them. So I'm going to give this one to my sister because she has type 4 hair more like than I do. So this is so nice, you guys.